What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Before I get to anything, y'all, I just want to say thank y'all for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Right now we at like 1150 while I'm recording this, and I just want to say thank y'all. We're gonna clap it up. You know what I'm saying? Next one we gonna try to reach, well, not try, but next one we are gonna reach is 3,000. And like I said, man, people who've been watching me, family, friends, all that, people who've been since the beginning, I thank you. It's gonna be a long journey, but we're gonna keep going. And as y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title, I got something new for the charger. I got ambient lighting, so I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. Y'all can see I got it all right here. Here's the plug for it, switch it on, switch it off. Here's the little lights or whatever. Here's the fiber that I'm gonna be putting around the whole dash, and I could put it in the center console, but I think I'm just gonna put it around the dash because I only got 6. So it's gonna be 2 for the dash, 2 for the doors, and then 2 for the back doors. And I think that'll give it a better effect than having it in the middle right there. But right now, it's 3:47. I'm just leaving, getting stuff done, man. I'm tweaking. Right now, I'm gonna pick up some cologne, some Christian Dior cologne. Yeah, take y'all along with me while we go do that real quick. And I think that's it. All right, y'all. Damn, bright as hell. But we over here. We went to Sephora on my car. We went ahead, went down to Sephora and Sephora. You know what I'm talking about. We got the little Christian Dior. Let me. Oh, smell good. Y'all want to smell the Christian Dior? My bad. The lens. There we go. Y'all want to? Oh my God. I can't see. Y'all, hold on. I'm gonna wait till the sun is not in y'all view. Well, I was rudely interrupted by this damn sun. Go ahead, y'all. Smell the Christian Dior. Y'all smell it? Christian Dior smell good. Damn, nigga. Why your shit crash into like that? But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and go get some food because we starving in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I think I'm running on the last bit of sugars in my body because bruh, it is 5 o'clock. I have not had a meal today, bro. I had grapes and some smoothie, like healthy smoothie type shit that I got from the stuff. But that's besides why I'm gonna probably get some Wendy's or Subway. I want some Subway for me personally. But yeah, gonna get that real quick for shit show. Now she. All right, y'all. This looks like a mess, and it's getting darker outside. I am tweaking, but you're gonna get all this clear. I don't even know what you want to call it. And then you're gonna get a skinny clear piece too, like this. If y'all can see that, all you gotta do is feed it into this. It's gonna be at the end of it. There's gonna be a hole. You just slide it in there. I don't know about trying to slide it all in there at one time. I might do piece by piece. But yeah, we're gonna try it. And so I'm gonna stuff it under here, all around. I'm probably gonna have it behind the steering wheel tied up. I'm gonna stuff it in the door, and I'll get back to y'all when I get something done. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I done went ahead and started installing it last night. It was too dark to be recording. Yeah, this is how it looks during the daytime. I did put it around the dash too. So y'all can see that. I mean, you can see it better in person. But it's chilling. I mean, goes the light. It's cool. So for the door one, well, my car's messy. I gotta clean it real quick. So for the door one, start from the end. I just push it in the little crack all the way through. Put it through here, through here, through here. And then I put it through this little, what's it called right here? I have the light right there. I got my zip ties, but I am gonna zip tie it to this right here so it's more, stable type shit. And yeah. And as far as the one in the dash, I just stuffed it in there, and that's when you use the pry tool. This pry tool weak as hell. Y'all see that? Weak ass pry tool. Yeah, stuff it all around there. And then with the cords, I just stuff the cords under here. And there should be a hole underneath that can lead in somewhere. If you put your hand all the way through there, when you feel under here for a little hole, it's like right at the edge. You just push it in there, pull it out right there. You'll have it right there. Like, y'all, this ain't really a tutorial because Yeah, I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy, pal.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
But then, you know, I have it on the other end too, so it's more full. Let me see if how it look in the daytime. You can see it a little bit during the day. Just a little bit, but it's too light outside. Yeah, I can see it a little bit. It's too light outside. It's not the best product because, you know, it's only like $30, and I'll leave a link in the description. But it's not bad. It's not bad. I still gotta do the driver's side. I did the rear, and I gotta do this side. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get to that. All right, y'all. So,
What?
you make me laugh.
How did I make you laugh?
All right, y'all. So, it's different from the last clip where I was putting a little lights in and stuff, but you know, I done picked up a guest, you know, on the channel, and we, you know, we had this little pumpkin patch, you know, whatever. Excuse me, sir. Thank you.
You gotta show them.
I did. I was like, oh, she trying to direct my channel. Like, what the? You see my pupils? She trying to direct my channel. She done spit me around.
I done spit him. I twirled
Oh
him.
my gosh. I feel special. I feel special, sir. I feel special. Like, so she done dragged me. That's where they got the, what's that, jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
No, I'm just kidding.
Stingray.
For the stingrays, we gotta,
in your ass.
probably.
Oh, you smell that?
Yeah. Be smelling like some people.
Salty.
No, I'm just kidding.
Fishy.
I like seafood, but I don't like all seafood. Hey, y'all, I'm about to touch a stingray. I'm gonna die. I feel like this nigga gonna bite me. I couldn't reach.
Ooh, you felt it?
No, I couldn't reach.
It feels like soft. Like, it's weird.
I ain't gonna lie.
Look at that one.
I was a little scared to touch it, but come on, I can't. Y'all, if I don't make it out and I die and I get eaten, I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Oh. It feel like slimy rubber. I don't like it. So y'all, that thing got a thing right there.
You got a thing.
I want to touch it.
Look at this moving. It's moving. What is that? What is
You
this?
don't want to touch the tube feet.
Oh.
So, yeah, it's all right. It's just that they can stick to you and those can snap off.
Oh.
Yeah. And if he really gets onto you, I'll have to call an aquarist and get the sea star to ungrip you. Because you'll get stuck.
So
I'm trying to get good.
You've already had that happen once
Today?
Y'all, what does she mean by trying to get gripped? I don't know. You gonna find out.
Not the star.
I ain't gripping nothing. I'm about to throw up. All right, y'all, we gonna say bye to this weirdo. But as y'all can see, we just got back from Izze Shaitan. Y'all can see the lights, man. The lights a little hard, type, you know what I'm saying? Those lights a little hard. Give y'all a little nighttime POV, you know what I'm saying? Oh, damn, we done hit a bump. Yeah, that shit hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Look like one of them in the back messed up, because I do have this one in the back blowing or whatever. But, yeah. It is what it is. All I gotta do is just connect it back again. But y'all, as y'all can see, we was back from Chicago, you know, went on a little day thing, you know what I'm saying? But, look at that, man. This is fire. I will leave a link to in the description to these lights. It was like $20, $30, whatever. So, it wasn't bad. I mean, of course, if you pay more, you're gonna get the better quality one that lights up a little bit better, but for what it is, it's decent. Old girl I was with, she liked the lights a lot. And I told her, as y'all know, I do want to get the star lights, and she said, oh, that would have been a vibe, you know what I'm saying? You had a little female. I'm like, baby, you don't see the stars now. But hey, I'm gonna bring the stars to you. Tight shit, you know what I'm saying? But I'm heading home right now, wait for my daughter, and I'm gonna close out the video. Then see y'all in a sec. All right, y'all, so I actually made it home. Look, man, I feel like you can't really see it that good on the camera at night, but yeah, got it on red, got it in the back doors. I mean, it's not the most bright product out there, but it was only 30 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link there. Can y'all see me? Y'all see me? I'm gonna leave a link to the product. I mean, it's not bad for what it is and the price it is. It's not bad. I mean, you could go with like lighting threads, and I think RGB Halo Kits has a thing like this. I don't know. But of course, you're gonna be paying like $200 for this, which is probably better quality and actually lights up the whole thing good. But I like it. My baby's back there. Sam, what do you think about the lights? Let me see. What you think about the lights? Yeah, she knocked out. But y'all, thank y'all for watching another video. I know it wasn't really like a install video, but it was just me showing y'all my lights. Turn off that light, you know what I'm saying? It looks good though. I like it. I like it. It could be a little better. I feel like it gets a little dim right there. I don't know if y'all can tell it on camera, but I'd like to thank y'all once again for getting me to 1,000 subscribers and, you know, moving on up with that. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you all. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.